Medicine can certainly play an important role in treating conditions and diseases, but what happens if the drugs expire before they're used or no longer needed?
In tonight's medical coverage, Color 10's Nisha McDonald is here to explain how to safely dispose of your prescription medications.
David and Heather, I spoke to a local pharmacist today who says improper drug disposal can lead to problems for not only you, but also the environment.
Medication in itself is prescribed for the person that it's intended for. Each person may have different needs or tolerances based on medication that is prescribed to them that is not safe for people that have not been assessed for that need.
CoxHealth pharmacist Brittany Sturgeon says drug take-back boxes help aid in the growing need of patients wanting to dispose of medications safely.
We have a lot of medications that patients don't typically use up or expire out before they can be completely used. We've noticed that there's a need for patients to have access to take-back programs that are more local, available at all times.
Don Wells of Alternatives Counseling says as a drug abuse specialist, he seconds the importance of proper drug storage and disposal.
Having an anonymous way to dispose of their medications if they don't need them no more, or maybe they had them and didn't really want to have them and didn't know what to do with them, so they can go there and dispose of them in a safe manner, as opposed to throwing them out where a kid could get them.
However, Sturgeon realizes there are times you might not have access to one of these boxes.
Dispose it in a bag, a Ziploc bag filled with an undesirable substance such as used coffee grounds, kitty litter, and or dirt.
The FDA also has a list of flushable medications.
The harm to patients accidentally getting into these medications or unintentionally misusing the medications outweighs the risk to the human population or environmental population. They do have a flush list of about 15 medications.
Now again, visit our website at ozarkfirst.com for a complete list of locations and times that you can drop off your meds.